Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to find your name on the Telegram app using your PC based on the latest update. Whether you're just starting out with Telegram, or you've been using it for a while and want to confirm what name is showing on your profile, this quick walkthrough will make it simple and clear. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. If you're logged in already, you'll arrive right at your chats and home screen. If not, just sign in using your phone number as you normally would. Once you're inside the app, everything else is very straightforward. Take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines stacked together, often called the menu icon. Click on those three lines and a side panel will immediately slide out, giving you access to the key sections of your Telegram account. From here, find and select the option labeled My Profile. Clicking this will open up your personal profile page, where Telegram displays your account details. This area is designed to show you how others see you on the platform. Right at the top of the profile page, you'll notice your name clearly displayed. This is the name that appears to others whenever you join groups, send messages, or connect with new contacts. Depending on how you set it up, you may see both a first name and a last name, or just a single name if that's all you provided when creating your account. That's really all it takes. To recap quickly, open Telegram on your PC, click on the three lines in the top corner, go to My Profile, and then at the top of the page, you'll see your name. It's simple, but knowing exactly where to look helps you avoid spending time searching through menus. With this process, you can always check your profile instantly and even make changes if you'd like to update the name people see. So the next time you're wondering what name shows up under your Telegram account, you'll know exactly where to find it. And that's it for this walkthrough.